BSLK stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Looking at both projects holding stock, it's 40% up. Context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors called thousands of correct predictions on my YouTube channel for free. And all of it has been documented. And I'm talking like 5, 10, 20x moves. But looking at BSLK, looking at this, honestly, like, it's got the shifts, which is quite solid. And the only thing that I'm looking to do is just kind of double down on this. Why not? You know, why now when it's just looking this juicy? We have this demand. So I'm only really looking to double down on this buy. If the price comes down and shows me a double break, that would be sick, right? But guess what? Like, I'm not even starting to get that happy because most of the time the rules are not met. And if they are, I mean, sick. I'm just going to get involved. So I'm going to keep you updated either way. If you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.